Okay, today we're going to talk about primates. So your heading can be primates, and then go ahead and write the bullet. All humans, monkeys, and apes are considered primates. Now the big question is, what makes these things, humans, monkeys, apes, primates, what makes them, I guess, towards the top of the food chain, or what makes them unique? Go ahead and list these things, these four things here. All primates have opposable thumbs, binocular vision, flexible shoulders, and highly developed brains. We'll start with opposable thumbs. Okay, this whole thing. Now, primates have opposable thumbs. We are tool users, which means we need something like an opposable thumb to manipulate tools. If you just try for one day not using your thumbs, things would be harder. From drinking from your water bottle, to tying your shoes, all of these things require thumbs. So if we didn't have those, life would be more difficult. We're tool users. We have what we call binocular vision. Okay, most animals have two eyes, and they are on the sides of their head, especially prey. They have their eyes on the sides of their head, and they have a blind spot right in front of them. Okay? Well, because we're tool users and we're used to having things in our hands right in front of our faces, okay, our eyes create one picture. Now, yes, we have a blind spot behind us, but we create one picture with our two eyes. And also, it helps with depth perception. Okay? If you close one eye, it's more difficult to tell how far away something is. Depth perception is how far away something is. Okay? When you look at your water bottle in front of you, is it a foot in front of you? Is it 10 feet in front of you? Okay, you got to be able to know those things, like when you're driving a car. Okay, that stop sign, how far is it? Should I start slowing down? Can I wait? Okay, that's depth perception. So your eyes together create kind of a 3D picture to determine how far away things are. Okay, it's difficult for someone with one eye to be a good baseball player. Okay, because when you're hitting, if you have a good pitcher throwing you the ball, it's hard to tell, okay, should I swing now? Is the ball still far away? You know, where is that ball exactly? So if you have two eyes, that picture is better. Binocular vision. We have flexible shoulders. Once again, this has to do with manipulating tools. Okay, most animals, their front shoulders, legs are not as flexible as ours. Okay, a horse can't go all the way around with its shoulder, its front shoulder. Okay, because it's not that flexible. Okay, we, on the other hand, primates, a lot of times are grabbing things, hanging in trees, things like that, so they have flexible shoulders. And then the biggest positive here is highly developed brains. Okay, we are not, and if you compare us to humans to other animals, primates to other animals, we're not very strong. We're not very fast. Okay. If we get in a hand-to-hand fight with anything, we're probably going to lose. Okay, so our strong point is our highly developed brains. We're smart enough to be able to figure things out and use tools and stuff, even if we aren't the strongest and the fastest. I would probably write this down. The first human-like primates came from 4 to 6 million years ago. They're called humanoids. Okay, so cavemen-like things. and we currently are Homo sapiens. So maybe just say Homo sapiens equals humans. That is our scientific name, Homo sapiens. Now, write down fitness in the first bullet. An animal's fitness is its ability to survive and reproduce. Okay, so normally when you think of something having good fitness, you think, oh, I can run a long time, or I'm fast, or I can lift weights. And that does mean that has a certain type of meaning of fitness. But when we're talking with wildlife and biology, when we talk about fitness, it's your ability to survive and reproduce. So some examples here, a cheetah's fitness, that's pretty famous, is its speed. Okay, it's faster than the animals that it hunts down. Okay, its fitness is its speed. A whale's fitness, what helps it survive, or its main thing, is just its overall size. Okay, there's not a lot of things that can mess with a whale just because they're so big. So its fitness is not its speed or its smarts or anything like that. It's its size. Okay, raccoon's fitness, this is kind of a cool one. I would say raccoons are just able to adapt to any situation. You can find raccoons in the wild, you can find them in big cities, okay? They're able to eat just about anything, sleep just about anywhere, live about anywhere, and they can figure a lot of things out. So they can just adapt to any situation. And we kind of mentioned this already. Primates' fitness, our biggest thing is our brains. We're not the fastest, the strongest, the biggest. Okay, so we must use our brains. There are the notes for today.